Hi, Eduardo. So I'm just taking a look at these logos. They're all looking really good. It looks like your color logos are all in CMYK color. Your EPS and your AI file are both in CMYK color. If I go to document setup and edit artboards, I can look over here and it looks like all of them are set to 3 inches wide by 3 inches tall. So good job there. Um, I think you mostly used 100% black on your black logo, which is good practice. Um, this is not as simplified as it could be, but I think maybe you were having trouble connecting these, maybe. Because when you did it, maybe it did this, but I wonder if it's just acting kind of strange. I'm not sure why that's happening. That's probably why you left it like that, so I'm not gonna dock you for that. It's unusual that that's happening, but the drop shadow, I think I do like the drop shadow, but I almost wonder, and I'm the one that suggested you do that, but I almost wonder if there wouldn't be an even better solution to that. So if I select everything, go to Object, boy, I wonder where we went and did this. Effect. I think maybe we went in here. I can't remember how to get it off there, but maybe taking the drop shadow off and then, oh, here it is. So just taking that off. How do I just take it off? Sorry. Oh, trashing it here. Okay, sorry. That took me a little bit to figure that out. They're always changing things in here, so it's kind of hard to keep up. But so if we want to take it off, we can just select everything and, you know, take it off over here in the effects here. So one thing I was thinking you could do is you could just get all of this stuff potentially. I mean, you could do a Command C, Command V, and then fill these shapes in with like maybe like a blue or something, and then put it like kind of offset it, and then do let's see, Object, Arrange, Send backwards, or send to back maybe all the way, and then you could kind of do like maybe something like this instead of a drop shadow. Just experimenting, not saying that this is better. But the drop shadow almost makes your logo maybe look like blurry or something. I don't know. It has kind of a strange effect. And it's not going to affect your grade at all that you have a drop shadow on it, but I think maybe this might actually work out better. Doing something similar to this potentially might work a little better for you. Or I'm just going to Command Z. I'm just going to delete those. So I wonder if we just did, this is probably not going to work because, yeah, your shapes aren't joined. But if we could figure out how to join these shapes, we could put a stroke around it to help it pop off the background. And I mean, I wouldn't do a stroke of that color. I would do like a purple stroke maybe to match some of the purple in your bars here. So these files all look good. All of these look really good, especially your black and white logo looks really slick. I'm impressed with the way you were able to make these from scratch, and they look so good. And then if I go into, you know, your JPEG and PNG files in Photoshop, it looks like you exported these out high resolution. I went through all of them, and I mean the JPEG is in CMYK color, which is good, and it's high resolution. So good job there. So yeah, I really honestly I don't know if I see anything wrong with what you turned in. I almost wonder if you didn't. I mean, your file looks like you named it well. You named all your files right. You brought all the right. So I think you're definitely going to get an A plus, maybe even 100%. I still have to kind of go in and go through the rubric, but I'm thinking for the most part you did really well. So good job, Eduardo.